Welcome to day 13, where we're going to learn how to make the most important choice you will ever make, choosing your authentic self over your dark superego in every single moment. This is where the theory becomes practice, where the game truly begins. There is a war happening inside your mind, right now. On one side, your authentic self, a radiant warrior of light, full of dreams, potential, and limitless power. On the other, the dark superego, a shadowy figure, armed with every single reason you should stay exactly where you are, small and afraid. Today, you choose which side wins this battle. Every moment of every day, you're choosing between two internal voices. Your authentic self speaks the language of possibility. It whispers, "What if this actually works out? I am capable of growth. I deserve good things." It's the voice of your inner champion, glowing with potential. But then there's the dark superego. It speaks the language of limitation, its voice glitching with doubt. What if this fails? I always mess things up. Good things happen to other people, not me. Now, let's be real. This isn't a fair fight. At least, not at first. The dark superego has had years to strengthen its arguments. It's a master strategist, having collected a vast archive of every mistake, every rejection, every disappointment you've ever experienced. It projects these onto the battlefield of your mind as undeniable proof that dreaming is dangerous and that growth is foolish. It wants you to believe your past defines your future. But your authentic self holds the ultimate weapon, truth. Your authentic self knows you are not the same person who made those past mistakes. It knows you've learned, you've grown, you've leveled up. It knows your potential isn't limited by your history. It's fueled by it. This epic battle plays out in the small, everyday moments. Imagine you're considering applying for that better job. A glowing opportunity appears before you. Instantly, the dark superego materializes, slamming down a massive red hammer labeled "not qualified." Or maybe you think about starting that creative project you've always dreamed of. A beautiful, glowing cube of potential forms in your hands. But then, the dark superego fires, glitchy lasers, surrounding you with holographic ghosts of every unfinished thing you've ever attempted. You imagine finding a loving relationship, and a beautiful hologram of connection appears. The dark superego morphs into twisting red chains, whispering, "Remember the pain, remember how you got hurt." But your authentic self is not defenseless. It fights back with different weapons. Instead of certainty, it wields the glowing sphere of curiosity. Instead of a fixed mindset, it brandishes the radiant shield of a growth mindset. And against the harsh attacks of self-judgment, it raises the powerful blade of self-compassion, shattering the dark projections into sparks of light. The key to winning this battle isn't about silencing the dark superego. That's an impossible mission. The secret is choosing not to let it make your decisions. You can hear its voice without obeying its commands. You can acknowledge its concerns, its fears, without accepting its conclusions as your reality. This daily choice is the core of the Mind Eclipse System. This is where true transformation happens. Every single time you choose your authentic self over your dark superego, you are literally rewiring the neural pathways of your brain. You are changing your brain's default settings from a program of limitation to a new operating system of infinite possibility. With each choice, you shift the circuits from red to radiant gold. So, here is your daily tool. I call it the choice point practice. Throughout your day today, whenever you feel that internal conflict, that clash of voices, I want you to pause. Bring up your own internal control panel. Ask yourself, is this my authentic self speaking, or my dark superego? Then, consciously press the button for your authentic voice. Choose to align with it, even if it feels a little scary or uncomfortable at first. Send that wave of light across your inner world. Now, let's anchor this choice deep within you with today's affirmation. I choose my true self every time. Let's ground this powerful decision right into your body. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel your breath flowing naturally. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, say it with me. I choose my true self every time. Feel the power of that decision resonating through your entire being, from your toes to the top of your head. Every choice matters. Every moment you choose authenticity over limitation, you are building the muscle of self-trust. Let's repeat this again. I choose my true self every time. Feel the words getting brighter, the energy growing stronger. I choose my true self every time. Your inner arena begins to quiet. The words echo around you, glowing brighter and brighter. I choose my true self every time. Feel the conviction. I choose my true self every time. The entire grid of your mind is now glowing with gold and blue light. I choose my true self every time. The shadows are dissolving. I choose my true self every time. You are the source of this light. I choose my true self every time. Feel the truth of it. I choose my true self every time. One last time. With all your power, I choose my true self every time. You are not obligated to live according to your dark superego's fears. You are the one in control. Powerful work today, choosing your side and claiming your victory. Keep using your choice point practice throughout the day to earn your points and strengthen that connection to your authentic self. Tomorrow, on day 14, we expose the sneaky ways the dark superego sabotages your success. I'll see you then. The battle continues next time. See you then.